Ever wondered why machine learning is considered the cornerstone of the AI revolution? Why is it that this particular subset of artificial intelligence is transforming industries, economies, and even our daily lives in such a profound manner? Machine learning gives machines the unprecedented ability to learn, adapt, and evolve from data without the need for explicit programming. This power of learning from data has diverse applications, from curating our shopping and streaming experiences to predicting potential patient ailments in healthcare. It's an invisible force driving tech giants, startups, and research institutions, creating tangible business value and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. For those deeply immersed in the world of AI, understanding the basics of machine learning isn't just important, it's indispensable. As the foundational layer of most AI systems, machine learning provides the structure and framework on which advanced AI functionalities are built. A lack of understanding of these basics risks a superficial grasp of AI, missing its nuances and depths. But the importance of understanding machine learning isn't just confined to tech enthusiasts or AI practitioners. As machine learning continues to weave itself into the fabric of our digital existence, understanding its basics is akin to understanding the grammar of the future tech language. Now let's travel back in time to understand the origins of machine learning. The history of machine learning intertwines with the broader evolution of artificial intelligence. While AI's philosophical musings can be traced to ancient civilizations, the foundational stones for machine learning were laid in the 20th century. One of the earliest and most significant milestones was Alan Turing's introduction of the Turing test in 1950, a method for determining whether or not a computer is capable of human-like intelligence. In 1956, the Dartmouth Workshop marked the birth of AI as an academic discipline, with researchers like John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky exploring algorithms and theories that are foundational to machine learning today. The 1960s and 1970s saw advancements in pattern recognition, like perceptrons and the concept of reinforcement learning. By the 1990s, the introduction of algorithms for decision trees, like the ID3, and the popularization of support vector machines brought forth a new wave of interest and practical applications in the field. The 21st century then witnessed an explosion of interest in machine learning, powered by big data and refined algorithms. In 2012, a pivotal moment came with the AlexNet, a deep neural network, winning the ImageNet competition. This event solidified the dominance of machine learning in the field of AI. To summarize, machine learning, an integral subset of artificial intelligence, is the invisible force propelling tech giants, startups, and research institutions. It's the foundational layer of most AI systems, providing the structure and framework on which advanced AI functionalities are built. Over the decades, machine learning has evolved from the concept of pattern recognition in the 1960s and 1970s to the introduction of decision tree algorithms in the 1990s, and finally becoming a dominant force in the 21st century. As we continue on this technological revolution, understanding machine learning isn't just recommended, it's essential. Voiceover. Today, machine learning is more than just a trending technological term. It has become a pivotal tool that is shaping the future of numerous industries, from healthcare to finance, from cybersecurity to entertainment. Machine learning algorithms are now capable of diagnosing diseases, predicting stock market trends, detecting cybersecurity threats, and even scripting movies, like this video you are watching right now. But the question is, how can you, as an individual or a business, leverage the power of machine learning? How can you participate in this tech revolution? The answer lies in learning, understanding, and applying machine learning concepts in your respective fields. To help you in this journey, we've put together a comprehensive article titled "To the Moon with AI" on our website. This article delves deeper into the fascinating world of machine learning and artificial intelligence, exploring their potential and impact on our world. So if you're intrigued by what you've learned so far and want to dive deeper, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Remember, the future is here, and it's powered by machine learning.